Yesterday's worries are all far behind. A peaceful rhythm is what I find in the silk of my blouse and the silver I wear. I'm breathing in the crisp morning air. It's not about the destination I see. It's about how beautiful it feels to be me. I'm walking on sunshine, soft and slow, watching the light in my spirit grow. Every year is a diamond, every day is a gift, giving my heart such a wonderful lift. Elegance is the way that I move. I'm finally finding my perfect groove. The coffee is warm, the colors are bright. I'm dressing in confidence, wearing the light. A simple scarf and a pair of blue jeans. I'm the queen of my own quiet scenes. The world is a runway under my feet, and life has never tasted so sweet. Oh, I've learned to listen to what my heart says, enjoying the glow of these golden days. I'm stronger, I'm wiser, I'm beautifully free, exactly the woman I wanted to be. I'm walking on sunshine, soft and slow, watching the light in my spirit grow. Every year is a diamond, every day is a gift, giving my heart such a wonderful lift. Elegance is the way that I move. I'm finally finding my perfect groove. Slowly and gracefully, smiling so peacefully. My best chapter is starting today.